Thank you. Your Excellency, Governor of Kisii County, Your Excellency, Deputy Governor Elijah Obebo, all the leaders from the national as well as the county government, Your Excellency, thank you for giving me this minute kusalimia watu wetu. Niseme maneno mawili mafupi. Ya kwanza ni kumwambia ndugu yetu Deputy Governor Elijah Obebo, kumwambia hongera sana kwa ile kazi umepewa siku ya leo and the opportunity to serve the people of Kisii County. Your Excellency the Governor, let me say I am particularly happy, and that is why I woke up at 4 in the morning today to make sure that I am here, because I'm a happy resident and voter of Kisii County. I have known you for many years, wewe unajua mahali tumetoka na wewe, and I have always associated you with good governance and integrity. And this my brother Elijah I have known him for even longer. Again, I associate him all the years that he has worked in the public sector. I associate him as a person who believes in good governance, a person who believes in integrity in public affairs. So, when we have that combination, I believe that our county of Kisii is going to be the beacon to demonstrate good governance in public affairs, and that is why I am personally very excited today. So I wish you well. Governor, because but I believe what I am saying now is on behalf of our ones. We want you to know that to the extent that you are leading the county in a manner that upholds integrity in public affairs, good governance, and shuns the vices of corruption and bad governance, I believe that every resident and voter of Kisii County of goodwill is behind you. So I wish you well. I wish the Deputy Governor well. Now I want minto untoko bwatisi governor na lianya roto koregas. Tuanjire boigo. Your Excellency Nyachae Hussein, thank you very much. Asante.